Welcome to 3617 White Pine Drive in Lexington. Located conveniently to schools, shopping, Keeneland, the airport, everything you need for comfortable living. Come on in. Stepping inside, you'll notice the spacious and open layout with a lovely gas fireplace, making it the perfect place to unwind or entertain. The den features a rustic accent wall and an adorable little study nook. The back deck is perfect for relaxing or entertaining. This home also includes a private fenced-in backyard. If you're looking for a great house at an amazing price point, this could be the one for you. Call me today to schedule your personal tour.